Azerbaijani NGOs and civil society groups on May 26, 2026, urged local and 48 foreign authorities, including the US, France, Germany and the UK, to scrutinise Lafarge, part of the Swiss Holcim group, over its Syrian operations, and requested the Organised Crime and Corruption Reporting Project conduct an independent investigation. The letter sent to the embassies call for full transparency, accountability, and strict enforcement of international humanitarian and ethical standards, stressing that commercial interests must never outweigh human rights or humanitarian law. They demand thorough investigation into any potential complicity in crimes and highlight concerns about Lafarge's operations at its Jalabia cement plant between 2012 and 2014. Reports indicate workers faced threats, kidnappings and violence, and court documents and employee testimonies suggest the company provided funding and material support to internationally recognized terrorist groups, including ISIS and the al-Nusra Front, to maintain operations. In October 2022, Lafarge and its Syrian subsidiary pleaded guilty in a US federal court to supporting foreign terrorist organizations, paying $777.78 million in fines and forfeitures. In April 2026, the Paris Criminal Court found Lafarge and 4 former executives guilty of financing terrorist groups between 2013 and 2014, imposing maximum fines and prison sentences. Lafarge remains under investigation for possible complicity in crimes against humanity. The letters reinforce the NGOs' demand for independent and transparent investigations into all Holcim operations. They urge governments where Holcim operates to ensure oversight, accountability, and prevention of funding to armed groups. Specific concerns were raised about Holcim Azerbaijan, stressing the company's responsibility as a major industrial actor to uphold the highest standards of transparency, human rights due diligence, and ethical business conduct. The NGOs called for full compliance with international humanitarian and anti-corruption norms,